Welcome to this week's edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, Abbott has received approval for the first Denosumab biosimilar in Thailand, marking a significant step in expanding access to treatment for osteoporosis and cancer-related bone loss. Currently, fewer than 40% of Thai patients receive treatment after a fracture. This new approval aims to change that. A long-term study has confirmed that active surveillance is a safe option for patients with low-risk thyroid cancer. The study found no thyroid cancer-related deaths in either the surveillance or surgery groups. Younger patients were more likely to transition to surgery based on personal preference. Overall, active monitoring is validated as a viable long-term approach for managing small tumors. The American Thyroid Association has released updated guidelines for thyroid cancer care. These recommendations now encompass diagnosis, risk stratification, treatment, follow-up, and also emphasize patient-reported outcomes and survivorship. These guidelines are poised to become the new standard in thyroid cancer management. In the UK, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency has approved Ochiesa, a once-monthly octreotide injection for the treatment of acromegaly. The treatment allows for self-administration via an auto-injector pen, offering convenience and improved adherence. The European Union granted approval for this formulation earlier in June 2025. A large clinical study shows that adopting a calorie-reduced Mediterranean diet combined with regular physical activity can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by 31%. Over a 6-year period, the absolute risk dropped from 12% to 9.5%. These findings support lifestyle interventions as a powerful public health strategy in diabetes prevention. New genetic research has identified that variants in the DEN1A gene are directly responsible for excess testosterone production in women with polycystic ovary syndrome. CRISPR gene editing confirmed the gene-to-hormone connection. This discovery opens the door to future targeted treatments for hormonal imbalance in PCOS. A study on SGLT2 inhibitors has revealed a 20% lower risk of dementia among older adults using these medications. The protective effect was most evident in men and individuals over the age of 80, suggesting that these drugs may offer neuroprotective benefits that go beyond glycemic control. In China, Eli Lilly has partnered with JD Health to expand digital access to obesity and diabetes medications. The partnership includes remote prescription services, educational tools, and a direct-to-consumer platform. With over 148 million diabetics and more than 500 million overweight adults in China, this initiative is designed to broaden reach and enhance treatment adherence. In the U.S., the FDA has approved the first generic version of a GLP-1 receptor agonist for weight loss. Teva's liraglutide formulation is now authorized for use in adults and adolescents aged 12 and older with obesity. This development increases the affordability of one of the fastest-growing classes of weight management drugs. Finally, artificial intelligence is playing a new role in managing gestational diabetes. A smartphone-based photo scanner built on GPT-4 vision technology helps patients analyze their meals and receive dietary guidance in real time. Designed with clinical safety and adherence in mind, the tool is expected to reduce complications and support healthier pregnancies. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.